Nababo Kabalen, welcome to Pampang.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Friendship Highway to taste itong bagong-bagong chicken and beer store.
So actually, this is OMO. Ayan guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So this is our table. So thank you so much, OMO.
Yeah.
Chicken and beer. Look at our table. Ayan.
Yes.
First glance. So what do we have on our table?
On our table, syempre hindi mawawala dyan yung kanilang mga beers and chicken. So meron tayo dito yung kanilang tinatawag na Tornado, which has 4 flavors: original, sweet, soy garlic, and barbecue. At the same time, meron tayo dito yung tinatawag nilang Pinatubo chicken.
Yes.
Kasi parang yung conceptualize ng ashes, parang ganun yung ginawa nila sa mga chicken.
So,
Which is, dito naman, ashes of cheese siya.
There you go, exactly. So notice guys, oh, diba? So para siyang nabuhusan ng mga
Powder.
cheese powder. Yes,
Powder.
solid. Okay.
Yan, so meron din tayo dito yung kanilang vegetable gizzard, fried kimchi rice, chicken barbecue, tteokbokki, yung kanilang military soup, meron tayong tofu, mga sausages, yung kimchi, yung kanilang noodles, and syempre yung kanilang cheese. So tinawag siyang military soup kasi basically sa Korea, pag nag-join ka ng military, ito yung mga meals nila.
K-pop fanatic, I believe, sobrang mag-enjoy ka dito. Isa pa sa mga street food nila or sa mga best appetizer, itong tinatawag nilang
Sotok-sotok.
sotok-sotok. So,
Bakit sotok-sotok?
So, sausage, tteokbokki, sausage, tteokbokki. It makes sense, guys. Come on.
This one, kung gusto nyo medyo mag-chill ng konti, mag-request kayo ng kanilang soju and beer.
Right. So, last information, guys. Yung mga side dishes natin dito, meron tayong steamed egg which is served once, and then the rest of the side dishes naman are unlimited. So, there you have it. Let's start man natin to. This is their kimchi, fried kimchi rice. And then, papansin nyo guys, yung pinaka-base niya, meron siyang fried egg. There you go. Oh, look at that.
Paano nyo malalaman kung yung restaurant is kid-friendly? They serve kiddie meal. Ito yung kiddie meal nila. So, sample which has sausage, fries, and yung kanilang pinatubo chicken plus yung kanilang orange juice. Okay, so ito yung one of their best seller when it comes sa mga chickens nila. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Tornado. If you'll notice, meron siyang cheese sa gitna. So this one-time serving. If you want to have it unlimited, just add 100 pesos. One of their best-seller chicken, yung kanilang pinatubo. Yun, no? Yun, no? Napaka-loaded ng cheese niya. Powdered cheese.
What an experience, bro.
Yes, actually, napakasarap ng mga food dito. And if you're looking for chicken and beer, check out itong OMO chicken and beer.
Actually, sobrang nabusog ako. Siguro, let's talk about a little bit of the highlight. Ano ba yung highlight o nag-stand out sa'yo, bro?
Ako nag-enjoy ako doon kanilang sa military soup at the same time yung kanilang Tornado.
So,
yes,
you gotta try yung chicken talaga nila. Ako rin, number 2, I think you must try is yung military. Sa akin, medyo maasim, medyo creamy din siya because of the cheese.
Yes.
And at the same time, a little bit sweet para sa akin. So, sobrang nag-enjoy ako doon. Guys, if you're gonna go here, must try po yung mga sinabi namin na tingnan nyo dito.
Yes, so OMO Chicken and Beer is located dito sa may Philam Highway, Barangay Pampang, Angeles City. And they are open from 11 a.m. to 12 midnight from Monday to Sunday.
Guys, take note, every Friday, meron po silang acoustic night dito. And then twice a month, they do have a DJ events. Every Saturday naman yan. So if you're into those kind of events and want to experience great food at the same time, yeah, gotta check out OMO Chicken and Beer. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.